This isn't a good idea. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. No, I'm not. I'm just going to be doing makeup. Also, there are cars going by, and my window's open, and I'm talking in front of an open window, but there's basically a highway in front of me, so... yes. My makeup bag. Okay. So first, we're going to do a little bit of eyeshadow. And I'm not even going to show you this because it's pretty ratchet looking. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Wish I had some music going. It's too late. Alright. This is like a reddish color. But it's basically mixed with another color. So it's got a little bit of glitter in it. Because we like sparkles. Also, my hair. Love looking like a crackhead. I can't even see this. It kind of looks pink. I don't know what I'm doing. Before this, I was laying in bed. Okay. I have some stuff. I'm going to, some other eyeshadow. It's not, but, I love how small me. You can't even see what I'm doing. There are dead lady bugs in my windowsill. Alright, so back to the makeup. I'm not going to be putting on any foundation because I don't have any. Ooh, that was really close. There was a car turning down my street, and there's only like 4 people that live on the street, so who are you? Eyeshadow done. Actually, no. We're going to blend it up. Does that look good? Alright. Hey. That's a towel. Mirror. Picture. Don't know why that's important. But it is. Also, eyebrows. That's how we do our eyebrows, honey. I'm gonna attempt to do some eyeliner with y'all. Shout out to my friend Grace who gave this to me one day when I was at her house. We're gonna shake it. Anyway, I actually don't know how to do eyeliner, and I'm probably gonna get really close to the camera. Should I talk while I'm doing this? Because I don't want it to be super awkward. Should I do a wing? Okay, first, oh, I kind of have one. There's this video. There's this video that I would like to talk about, and it's called It's Prom, and I really like it. It's a girl, and she's singing a song about prom. I didn't go to prom this year because I was on vacation. How come I'm not even trying right now? Not saying much, but I'm not, and it kind of looks good. It doesn't. It looks better. Also, this is called butter, and I just realized that. My nails. Never mind. Okay, we're gonna attempt for a wing. We're just gonna go for it. It doesn't look... It does. Just kidding. One time I took selfies and I did eyeliner and it looked really good on one eye. I had my hair down and I just parted it this way so only one eye was showing because the eyeliner looked good. When in fact, actually I'm gonna redo it. Because that kind of looks good. We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. This lotion smells really good. Vanilla bean! Noel! All of my mascara has left the chat. I don't know what that means. We're gonna use this Ratchet mascara. It's empty. There was a man in an old green Honda and an orange shirt driving by. And I didn't feel comfortable. There are birds outside my window. I have something in my eye. Ooh, my lips are crusty. Hi, Birdie. What is that? It's another car. It's a truck. I don't know how people can just like trucks. I mean, I guess because people like cars can like trucks. This is another truck. I don't know why I'm pulling this. I don't know. Yeah. I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel for a long time. And I'm going for it. Most people will put lashes on. I tried once. Oh, that really doesn't look good. That fake laugh. What if I just start making videos? I mean, no one's gonna watch them. But, one day I'll become famous. But in fact, that's my last name. My legal last name. Most people will believe me, or they just, like, mishear me or whatever. I'll be like, oh, my last name's famous. And they're like, oh, what is it, like Smith? And I'll be like, it's famous. That wasn't funny, but, oh well. I put a lot on. If your eyelashes aren't just one rectangle, like block, throw them out into the garbage. Alright, I talk with my neck a lot. This is longer than I expected it to be. Alright, so that's how you look like a crackhead.